So yo guys, you welcome to this channel and thank you very much for clicking on this video. I really love your support and I really love what you guys are doing for me. Thank you very much. So if you guys, you know, um, have any question, just comment it down below and I'm going to answer you, or I'm going to give you an answer within 24 hours. And if you love this video, or if you like this video, just click on the like button. If you also want to support me, I don't need any money from you, I don't need anything. Just click on the subscribe button and you're not going to pay anything to me. Yes, we are all learning, so you have to what to help me so that I help you. Do you get me? Yeah. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to check your device information with just a simple code. I know most of you know, but maybe some might not know. So that's the reason why I did this video, and you know I'm going to teach you. So before we start, bear in mind that you have to subscribe, like the video, give a comment if you have any question. If you don't have a question, just type in maybe USA when you are from USA. Just type in Nigeria when you are from Nigeria. Maybe Togo, maybe Ghana, wherever you are. Just let me know, okay? So let's start. So before you check your device information, what you have to do is to go to your phone dialer. When you go to your phone dialer, just click on this key. So when you click on it, your digit is going to appear. When the digit appear, what you have to do is just type this *#06#. So let's type it *#06. After typing this and you add hash, or when you click on hash, it's going to automatically appear, or your device information is going to appear without you clicking on the call button. Do you get me? Or the green button over here. So let me click on the hash. You see, boom, as you guys can see over here, this is the device information, or this is my device information. So as you can see over here, I have IMEI1, which has a numbers over here, and it has a barcode or QR code, and also ICCID1, and my phone number is down below. Yeah, so that's it. So this is how to check your device information. When you want to buy a device, or when you want to buy a mobile phone, or when you are buying a mobile phone, you have to check this device information. Yes. So thank you very much for clicking on this video, and thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you have any question, just comment down below. Ask me any question in my comment section. I'm going to help you out. Thank you very much for this video, and I really love you guys. Share this video to your friends and family on social media like WhatsApp, Facebook. Maybe post it in any group that you see on Facebook or WhatsApp. Just support me, by sharing this video to people on social media. Thank you very much, and I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to say. But what I have for you is thank you, because I really love you. Of course, I really love you and I think of you. If you have any question or anything, as I said, or as I told you guys, just comment down below. When you're facing any problem, just let me know. I'm going to help you out. If you want to learn how to make money, just follow this channel. I'm going to give you more tips in another time. So thank you very much. Just wait on this channel for my next video. Okay, so bye. See you in my next video. But please, please, please wait. Click on the subscribe button, like the video, share it. Just click on the share button, that arrow. Yeah, share it to your friends. Okay, yeah, bye.